Okay, thank you guys for watching. Alright, let's move to the other one. My name is BasselTech and I am the owner of BasselTech. Hi guys, and welcome back to this tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make a webcam QR code scanner in C#. So first of all, you're going to want to open up your Visual Studio, create a new project, and this is my form. I'm going to need a picture box and two buttons. Okay, so here is the final look of my form. We're going to need to add two libraries actually to this project. So we're going to go to the Solution Explorer in our project's name. We're going to right click on it. We're going to click Add and then choose Reference. And then we're going to browse for the two libraries. So the first one is BasselTech Cam Capture. This is responsible for fetching the footage from your webcam, and the messaging toolkit QR code. This library is responsible for decoding the QR code. So basically we're going to select both of them and then click Add, and then we're going to click OK, and in the references we should find both of them added right here. Okay, so what we're gonna wanna do now is basically right click here and go to view code, and then we're gonna be using messaging toolkit.qrcode.codec and using messaging toolkit.qrcodec.data and using BasselTech Cam Capture. Okay, so first things first, we're going to create some variables. So the first one is camera. I'm going to call it cam, then timer t, and then we're going to need a background worker. I'm going to name it worker, and bitmap cap image. Okay, and then in the constructor of our class form1, we're going to type t equals new timer, cam equals new camera, and then we're going to give it our picture box. Okay, so it's picture box 1. Then worker equals new background worker, do work. This is the event of the worker, and we're gonna type plus equal and then hit a tab to insert the function of the do work. And then t.tech plus equals and another tab, and t dot interval equals 1. Okay, so now let's go back to our design. We want to double click on star and basically type in a try catch block cam.start, and then start our timer t.start, then button2.enabled equals true, and button1.enabled equals false. So basically button 1 is the start button and button 2 is the stop button. We're gonna make the stop button enabled property to false. Okay, let's go back to our function. We're gonna catch any exception, catch exception ex, and then we're gonna stop our camera if there's any error. So cam.stop, and then we're gonna display the exception in the message box, message box.show ex.message. Okay, so far so good. Now we want to double click on the stop button and type cam.stop button2.enabled equals false and button1.enabled equals true. Okay. Now we want to go to the timer tech function, and we're gonna type in here cap image equals cam.getBitmap. So basically, we're gonna fetch at each timer tick, we're gonna fetch a picture of what the camera captures, and basically store it in our cap image. Okay, so we're gonna type if cap image not equal null. So we really have a photo right now, and at the same time our worker is not busy, so not worker that is busy. Then what we're gonna want to do is just run our worker, right? So worker dot run worker async. Okay, so now we need to go to our worker do work function right here, and we want to create an object of the QR code decoder. So we're gonna type QR code decoder. We're gonna name it decoder is equal to new QR code decoder, and then in try catch block we're gonna type message box dot show decoder dot decode new QR code image, new QR code bitmap image, and then we're gonna give it our bitmap, which is actually cap image, right? Okay, and we're gonna catch any exception, so catch exception, but actually we're gonna do nothing about this. And guess what? That's it, guys. Let's now test our program. I'm gonna click on star, then choose the webcam. Okay, this might appear several times, this dialog, and no worries at all. Just keep clicking OK, and then you're gonna have your the webcam here, and this is the footage in the picture box. So I actually prepared 2 QR codes to scan. So this is the first one. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Alright, let's move to the other one. My name is Basil Akmal, and I am the owner of BasselTech. Okay, so that's it guys for this tutorial, and thanks a lot for watching.